everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the standard windscreen on my Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak for the WRS Touring Windscreen. Also, we're going to be replacing the standard side deflectors to the WRS updated side deflectors. I'll walk you through the process. It's a very easy swap using the regular screws, the regular rubber grommets. I'll walk you through and then on the next ride I will share my actual personal impressions of the new windscreen and how it affects the comfortability of the ride. So just stay tuned. Now we will remove the side deflectors. This is the new side deflectors. You can see, you probably cannot see on the video, but I'll try my best to show it to you, that you can see that the end on a side deflector standard is just flat, while on WRS deflector the end is kind of like flared up, which should technically direct the air away from the motorcycle instead of going straight into your hands. So we'll see how it goes. We'll proceed with the install now. WRS side deflectors came in with the spacers, so we're gonna put those spacers in for the spot of the existing spacers, and we're just gonna install them, the side deflector on, and just gonna tie in the bolts for the side deflector. So both side deflectors are on. Let me show you the end result. You can see that right here it goes up, kind of pushing the air out. So now let's proceed with the installation of the windshield, and I'll show you all the final result, how it looks. I already reinstalled the spacers, the rubber spacers. I took them from the original windscreen. They're not very easy to remove. You probably need to use like a screwdriver or something to pop them out. They're really harsh, but now we're just popping this back to the original position. Okay, so this is the end result. This is the lowest position on the windscreen. You can see the new side deflectors, everything. So this should improve the comfort tremendously. In the future, I might go to the standard screen, which is a bit shorter. I think it might look better. I think comfort-wise, this screen is gonna do the job. It's probably gonna do a better job for the long haul and traveling, but the standard or sport screen is just gonna have definitely better looks. Let me show you how it looks when you sit on a bike. So when you sit on a bike, this looks like this in the lowest position. I can still, I would say, half of my helmet is above the windscreen in the tallest position. look slightly above the windscreen. So, but I'm probably gonna keep it majority of the time at the lowest position. So this is it for my 2023 Pikes Peak. Thank you for watching this. I appreciate every subscriber, every like, every comment. It means a lot. So I'm gonna post more videos on modifications of the bike, on a fun rides with the boys, and I hope you enjoyed the content. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye.